when the heck did a word become a subscription? Like when the heck did Excel become a subscription? All we want is a computer that just works like it's supposed to. Windows 11 Core, nothing more, just the basics, what we pay for. Windows 11 Core, nothing more, just the basics, what we pay for. I've got 1 TB of RAM, a dedicated graphics card. Man, my motherboard costs $3,000, and I'm playing Minesweeper on Max. I'm going back to XP. Back to XP. All we want is a computer that just works like it's supposed to. Windows 11 Core, nothing more, just the basics, what we pay for.